Hello and welcome to this introductory video for the library website. Today I'll be showing you some key features found on the library homepage. Your starting point for searching for resources is Find It. Simply type or paste your search details into the search bar. Click Search to see your results. For tips on how to search with Find It, click on the video tutorials icon to find our Searching in Find It video. Use these icons on the home page to find out about some of our services. During our opening hours, library staff are available to help you with borrowing print resources, accessing course reserves, browsing the physical collection, and printing assignments. If you experience any technical issues, IT is on hand in our Fremantle, Broadway and Broome libraries to help. You can submit general inquiries through our online chat service. Staff can help you find a range of resources, assist with referencing, and guide you through using our subject guides. Use the Ask Us feature to browse through frequently asked questions submitted by fellow students. You can find answers to questions relating to referencing, finding resources, IT services, borrowing, databases, academic support, and your My Library account. Booking an appointment with a librarian or learning advisor provides you with one-to-one academic support. Click this button or see this video for how to book either face-to-face or Zoom appointments. To book a group study room, select your campus library. Available time slots are in green. Book a room for your group using your student email address. For help with referencing, see our referencing guides. If you aren't sure which style your school uses, you can see the options here or check with your lecturer. For example, if your school is using APA, then select APA in the grey bar at the top of the page. If you are new to referencing, see the helpful videos and tutorials. Or click on the Workshops icon to find out when the library holds referencing workshops. You'll find many useful self-help guides across our pages, but remember, if you get stuck, reach out to your library staff via the Ask Us chat service we demonstrated in this video. We're here to help.